Here comes Emmy, cruising around the track like a bandido. She's quite the rider. Oh, she decides to do loops. Look at that. She's just riding like a fiend now. A loop? Where'd you learn the loop, big girl? Look at you riding. Look at you go, baby.
Now I'm ready to ride at home.
Yeah, you are. I'm so proud of you. Look at you go. All right, Emmy.
This road's a little dry.
Is it? It's pretty cold out here. You think you can go for one more lap?
A lot more laps.
Oh, a lot more? All right, well, keep on trucking. Do you want me to? We can go get some water.
Okay, let's go get some water.
And then we'll come back down and ride like crazy?
Yeah.
Good job, baby.